Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how you play Nintendogs plus cats. Here's the icon. You play this. Alright, I'm going to open it. Here we go. This is a 3DS stream, so don't worry about that. Here's Nintendogs plus cats. Sorry if it's a bit bright. All YouTube viewers, if you want help, I'll show you what to do. This is supplies. You go on this. There's milk, wet food, diet food, fine food, dry food, wet food, diet food, fine food, biscuits, fish brush. Yeah, well, I've got a lot of things. Right, the milk is there because they're thirsty. Press this on, and they'll come running. You see, if they're thirsty, I'll show you what to do. Click on their icon. See this? This is, you've been caring about them. This is like a, say like the hunger's normal, the thirst is okay. You need to make sure your dogs and cats are fine and healthy. The results here. See, my dog is quite good. Nintendogs cup, Nintendogs cup, Nintendogs cup. You see all here. My dog's been quite an expert on all these. I teach my dog tricks. I'll show you them. Tricks. Sam knows how to sit down. He knows right paw. He knows left paw. He knows down, he knows play dead, he knows spin, he knows roll over, he knows sit up, he knows jump, he knows say please, he knows stand up, he knows cheer, he knows sneeze, and beg, handstand, break dance, and hell. He knows 17 tricks. You see all this here, and this is about what he is. This lively male is full of energy for running around. That means that he runs all the time, and this is love. 473. That means I gave him a lot of love. And he's a male, and he's called Sam. He's a Dalmatian, as she is the picture. It's like all this. Show you what to do. This icon will make him come. Sam, come here. And there he comes. And this icon here, you stroke him. Come on. You stroke him here like this. You like that. You like that so much. Here you go, stroking him. There he goes, he turns over. Good boy, Sam. And also, these are treats here. Sam, do you want some treats? Hey. Oh, he's being stupid. Come here. Good boy. Here's a brush. And you brush them. You have to make sure if they're short-haired or long-haired. Brush them. Here they are. You brush him. And here we go. This is, I made this YouTube account up. If you want to subscribe to me, you're free. And also, you have to get rid of the hair. See, I'm brushing him very well. He comes there and he's like it there. Here we go. This is the back arrow. You could take a picture here. This is a picture icon. These are the treats, and this can put away. Goodbye, Sam. If you want tricks, you can go through the microphone. Also, you can have it in 3D. Here's 3D. Might look a bit blurry. Hi, Sam. He's looking at me. Sam, sit. You know tricks. Sam, sit. Sit. Oh, I got a treat by accident. Sit. Sam, sit. Sit. Come on, boy, sit. Oh, he's not doing what I'm told, but oh well. Here's my other dogs. This is Tigger, as you may know. He's called Tigger, and he's quite cute, and he wears a hat. See him? He's coming up. Hi, Tigger. He likes that. See, he's wearing a Viking hat. I don't know how you say it. I don't know if I said it right, but there you go. You love that, don't you? Yeah. Sam is my only favourite dog at the moment because he knows a lot of tricks, but for some reason he's not doing it at the moment. And also, you can move with this. It goes left. It goes left. Oi, Tig. It goes left and right. Up or down. Here he is. Checking the other dogs. Here's Penny. Penny! Here's Penny. She's a girl and she's a boxer dog. She wears sunglasses. You look cool in them. You look cool. And also she wears a little necklace. She wears a little necklace. Here she goes. I'll show you my other animals as well. They're all here. This is about what he is. No, she, I mean. She. This boisterous young female loves playing with everyone. He's love again. And she's love again. Here's about this one again. Overfed. But he's alright now. Full, crunched, beautiful. You see, he's alright. This male is quite calm, but enjoys plenty of exercise. 120, his love is. Yeah. Results. He's junior, and junior. Because that means he needs to learn more things. Here he is, and he's... Well, he's playing with the dogs. And he don't even know the tricks yet. If you need help, you press this button and it'll teach you the tricks. This is a loading screen. This will teach you. Here's how to teach your dog to sit neatly with its legs straight in front. Where you got to go like this. With the dog standing up, you got to go like that. Sit, and you have to point it down. I'll show you what to do. How to teach. Well, you won't know any of this if you get the game. Okay, this is to exit. I'm sorry, that was my dad talking to me. There's a save icon. Just forgotten to tell you. This will save your game. Press that. Saving. Don't forget to save your game recently. Or whatever. This is a loading bit. Yeah. Save completed. Press home at any time to return at the home menu. This is home here. It's a bit dark. Yeah, I know. Well, I'm not quitting yet. Here's how much money I've got. This is, you can win these in a competition. I got a lot. I got 700, £2,022 change. Here's it. This is a go out icon. Right, I'll show you. I'm taking my dog out for a walk. You can pick your 3 dogs. You can only have 3 animals in your house. Only you choose your dogs for a walk. So I'll choose Sam. Here we go. Loading screen. The seaside stroll, whatever that says. This route undoubtedly offers the best views around here. Just look at the sea. That and the leads here. You can have blue, green, and brown. I think I'll choose blue for Sam because he's a boy. Sam, right, you can walk around. You will see some weird random people. Come here, Sam. Wait, don't be naughty. Come here. He's not listening to me. Good boy. Treat. Treat. Come on. There's another random person coming up. You see, he's got a German Shepherd. Or whatever, blah. Morning, Lucy. So I brought Billy some treats that were more expensive than our usual ones, and he just loved them. I guess there really is a difference. They will chat to you a lot. See, do they like each other? Let's wait. Sam and Billy seem to be getting on really well. Oh, okay. I'll show you how to do a frisbee. Oh, it's not the part this time. I'll just leave. Yeah, blah blah. Yeah, shut up. Go, Sam. Come here. There's another person. You will have a lot of people in this game, so sorry. You're out early, Lucy. Yeah, I know, whatever. Vincent, his name is. You have to take good care of your dog on a daily basis if you want to get the best out of him in competitions. Well, he's alright. He's best in there. He's top dog. Oh, he don't like. See, look, Sam and me or whatever don't seem to get along very well. Oh, God. Don't matter. Sam, stop looking at him. Oh, there's a little present down here. Sam, get a present. Get a present. Don't want to miss it. Good boy. Get it here. Here's a present. You found something. Heart's collar. Oh, maybe I can give it to a girl dog. Right, let's go. Well, that is not any food down here, or rubbish bins. No, Sam, don't go in the grass. Don't go in the grass. No, I gave you a bath earlier. No, don't eat that. That's left over. Come on, don't eat that. It's left over. It's left over. Good boy. And treat. 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 Come on. Oh, there's another person. Random person. Here you go. Tanya. Morning, Lucy. Oh, what a beautiful day. Bus. Yeah. The picture. Yep. Sam and her, I don't know, seem to be getting on really well. There's a lot of hard names on here. No, I don't want to go in the cafe again. Come on, Sam. We ain't going to be waiting all day. Well, all you have to do, if you want to walk, you get your styles on this lead, like this. Don't go now! You move your lead like this with the stylus. Come on. Like that. And if you want to hold it, you go anywhere. To make your dog walk, you have to go like this. To make your dog run, you go like this. Or jump. 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 He's not jumping. No, he won't jump. Come on then. It's getting late. Hurry up. And this is the house bit. You won't turn home as well. Sam had a nice time. Well, good. when you scream. You're back from your walk. Hope you enjoyed it. Competitions. Sam. See how well he's good at this. And he's done all these. He's done junior, he's done amateur something. He's done pro cup, he's done master cup. Now he's in Nintendogs cup. You win a lot of money for this one. Get ready, Sam. There it is. He does this. Yeah, shut up. All you have to do is tilt this way. You go like this. You go like this. Then that way. And go like that and press the middle bit for him to jump. You'll see in a minute. You press that for him to jump. Don't let him catch it because he will slow down. Get off. Oh no. Let all dogs win. Let's get the other dog. Hurry up, Sam! This does annoy me, you know, sometimes. Sam! It don't matter if I don't win. I'm second anyway, but it is annoying. Boo, Sam! Oh wait, he comes second. He comes second. Yeah, whatever. Okay. Normal, clean. You see closer, he's got like a hat, he's got medals, he's got this, he's got that, and he's got that. That was from he did his tricks one. This is what he did for his tricks, his glasses. That was for the one I did a minute ago, and that hat is where the flying disc one. Oh, they're sniffing at each other. Wait! You! And I'll show you more. This tells you about them. I got 10 of them. Low calorie food, ideal for getting overfed puppies back into shape. Okay. I got one cat. I didn't really have a lot of cats, I just got more dogs. Here they are, tennis ball. Football. Bubbles. I have trouble doing that because I'm filming. You can play. This is so funny. Cheers. Oi. What are you right there? Piggy bank. Just piggy bank. My card and all this. Play the music. All you have to do is do it here and gently. You can either go like this, move it normally, or go down. And look at my dogs. See, they're dancing. See, dancing. Sam. Here's a little dancing. This is dancing. Sam there, Penny there, and Tigger there. Also, I've got a lot more, but I'll show you more things. That's my card thing there. And also, look. And also, you can dress them as well. I've got 2 heart collars. All you have to do is click. You say if you want to press this, you give it to the dog. Let's see here. She's already wearing it now. Come on, Peggy. Penny. Peggy, Penny. Yeah. But she's wearing it now. That's what you have to do if you want to get clothes out. These are hats and I've got lots of stuff. Yeah, I know it. And all this stuff, dog bed. You can have a bunch of stuff as well. And also you can have a diary. Rub it out if you want to. You can rub it out. Rub everything out. It's easy to use a rubber. You can write things, say like about your game or events to remind you, come on here, and it'll tell you the day. It's Sunday, the 6th of April. Can't even see my screen that well, but it's alright. Rubbing out. You see there's my little me character down there. Weird, huh? And also, hold it, press it, and place it there. And also, you can have a pen, not just a rubber. See, like, hey YouTubers. I'm right properly, but here. Oh, rub it out. Rub out. It does sound annoying when you have to rub out. Hey YouTubers. Cool dudes. Hey. YouTubers. Subscribe. Here's my little face. My little face. The sticker ton. That was your... You do have a diary on that. That's your diary. Supplies and go out. I'll show you what to do here. Here's shopping here. Supplies. Go to the dog shop. The one with the dog icon on. Here you can buy things with your own money. See, like, my money's changed now, so I did a competition. If you want to buy, you do this. Say that you want to press this, it will tell you what it is. This milk formula, especially prepared for puppies and kittens. £3. You can have as many as you want. It can be 10, it could be more, but just make sure it ain't a lot, because it'll waste your money. And this, if you want to go back, you press cancel. If you want to buy, be like this. Buy. And she'll say thank you. You got more things and your money will go down, so be careful. You buy all sorts of things, but just watch your money. Because I know some of you people want to buy a lot of things, so be careful. I've got all these stuff, but you'd probably like to see them too. There's lots of things, and that's it. And also I've got all the music CDs and everything from the shop. And if you want to leave, you press this. We're back. Go out and shopping. You can also get accessories. This is from over here. Accessories or something. Welcome. Yep. You can get all nice clothes for your dogs or cats too, to make them all fantasy and all pretty and beautiful. And because like all my dogs are wearing something, I always dress up my animals on here to make them look cool, not just boring and all, you know. But you can get anything. That's all you can get so far. I had these. See, like I've already had one already. You have it. It will tell you if you've already got it or not. And I've got one already. So with this stick frame, these glasses I learned and whatever, of course, £1.42. You can also try as well to see if it looks good on your dog. Here's my little. Oh, he's wearing them. It looks cool on them. But yeah, I took them off. But you can also try if you want to. Yeah, leaves the shop. You can go out shopping. This is the house. I've already got a new house. I didn't want to have that old house for ages. Thomas. Buy furniture. You get anything here. All nice. You get furniture, because I've got some furniture in my house. And you get all these nice houses. A few of them. You have lots of houses, and that's it. But the only thing, there are a lot of money. I can buy them because I've got a lot of money, but I don't want to do it because I'll waste it all. Okay. I'll say bye now, and I'll do another video next time. Bye. Because my battery's gone now. Bye.